Hi, my name is Ashley Sidario, and I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat. And today, we'll be going through how to grade a long answer question. To begin, let's start with grading a standalone long answer question from the content tree. The same steps can be taken if a long answer question is within a Top Hat page. Simply find the question and then click Grade Responses towards the right-hand side. To get started, highlight the question in the content tree and then click Grade Responses. This will open a long answer grading screen where you can scroll through each response and submit a grade. To provide feedback to students, type into the feedback field below their grade and click on Submit. The students will be able to view your feedback in their gradebook once the question has changed to review mode. Long answer questions are a great way to have students apply their knowledge and understanding in more depth. For more information regarding the Top Hat Gradebook, including its various functionalities and how to leverage gradebook data, visit our knowledge base.